abana boda boda haurense yekiombe gia Boda Boda Association of Kenya bakora wanere Dominic Babu nguna humunya Kerogobo igemambia yare roba igori abisi ye subcounty Nyamira South ibwegera chigotumika abuni abisi ye county Nyamira asaba na boda boda barachi kogayanira hamanganabo ukana sechi abisi ye chigotoka somo chomunene wenyamira imeye wodi ya Township ebunge ya West Mugirango ni gensemo ya yomuteneri ongafu ime ye county Nyamira Fontina Ngare nekiri habana boda boda bo kwibwaterani asebyombe libanya urogosirwa kurwa serikali gento kigendrete kubakonya sobugimo bwo muri kitofati gadi Kisemba norobotirwa senjira yobwikira Puna enjira eyemo yogotinya obokoreri bwa boda boda inse yekiombe kya BK abo bakoragwa n'umunyakerogo Dominic Babu nigorero bayigora ABC ya BK ye county ya Nyamira eyo boigera chikutumekwa ne sub county ya Nyamira South.
Tunaenda kuifungua kwa niaba ya Mheshimiwa Cherusha Mungina Mumanyi Ntogoro, who is the women rep of Nyamira County. Kwa jina la Baba na la Mwana na la Roho Mtakatifu.
Kwa boda boda chie county yetu ya Nyamira ne cha Nyamira South. I think as a county yetu ya Nyamira for the last 15 years duanya kotwara obischire functional. One amna to Boda Boda Safety Association of Kenya BK watwari obis all the 5 sub counties plus 1 county, that those are 6 officers chigo kwa services sasa abantu baito chigo kwa bundisanga bako so ebyombe na ande cho obisi to igoire na rota y'abantu baito aba chairman bali baro, and I've been repeating this again. Cho obisi njire cha beri chigo gurumara chiko nyanyasa abantu baito ba boda boda ejine cho obisi chigo free service to all boda boda riders.
Omoyega oyoiga boko igora ABC yo nigo boigo oikiranwa nere Fontina Ngare omoteneneri ongaf ime ye county ya Nyamira oyotumekari bagerio na gukwanera enchira omuwakireshi bwabangina ime ye county ya Nyamira omoskecherusha Mumanyi abeire gakubwatesia abana boda boda.
Already orure over 70 groups cha Nyamira this financial year yoka arure to the boda boda echindo orure echinde nchitigarete akorwe fund ere between 140 to 150,000. Sometimes ekertua nyore a group that is so organized ko egubare tent toko nyore group is so organized ko egubare binto awa ebinge vire in the affirmative action fund ne group yega is neria yemo yabo ebekire ase team chirichi affirmative action fund eyo omweshimiwa Jerusalem patron.
Aiga abana boda boda bo nigo boigo basegeture buna batumeke abisi yuboigo buya na gukwanirana gati yabo igoro yechinjira kiria baratange kisegi cegenka no nyankoro asebare
omweshimiwa gari kwestiga twara machiko are very strict akoba guide as a team of boda boda. More importantly mumarite kurwaniara mangana gender based violence. Gender based violence yarorekanire ekorwa amangi abantu bare yangi abande babeire drug addict babeire abused in all ways so gante biega kindly nabanchete buna abana baye natagetenga gwetere office yega mwayigoire mwebe cast members ebinto nebinge birororo biraba change life than what you are seeing right now.
Chingaki echecho nigo abateneneri abaiga ba boda boda inse yekiombe kya BK basabirwe koba abegenwa na boigo abasyoku anene asobo bagi kwechibesa gati yabo.
I want the one feeling I'm going to present it as a unit. I don't know,
any development was any fundraising which the county there Nyamira. How much the moment you betu? I'll not allow that. Once you go Changwe County there Nyamira, you go trickle down to all border stages. And then when you to Jangaru maybe 5 million, Keresa county 1 million. Chibe se chose big, chigo tringos down, baka mwana boda boda uriore zari.
Ingo reporter Getembe kuraigazi chia BC chia PK imeye kaunti ya Nyamira echo chigotoke meye ward ya township ebunge ya West Mugirango Injefa Tigad Kisemba.